Baldwin in my son's backyard in San Diego. This is my grandson and helper today. What are we going to do, James?
Well, we are going to burn some of these succulents because we heard about this fire that happened. There was a house that had succulents all around it and the fire never burnt it. So we are going to experience how these are going to burn.
Yeah.
And if they do.
That's exactly right. But first, we're going to try regular old garden plants. So toss that on there.
Quickly burns.
Good, it smells pretty good too. Here's what we have to burn. Aeonium, elephant's food, jade, some aloes, and sticks on fire, ironically named, and a cactus pad. So, James, what would you like to set on fire first?
Let's do this.
All right. Here's what I understand about succulents, is that they cook. They don't catch fire. And if that's the case, then they do make a good fire break. So how long do you think it should stay on there to prove that it doesn't catch fire?
Well, maybe 5 minutes.
Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, so 5 minutes later, we'll come back and check it. Now it is charred, and we want to see if it will actually pull flame with it.
Okay, so this is the elephant's food. Let's see how well this burns. It's cooking pretty fast.
Wow.
And there's a little bit of bubbles too. It's really frying, unlike this one did.
Yeah, so we're comparing it to the jade plant. We're seeing that it's cooking. We're not seeing any flame come off of the plant. It's going to cook so much that it dries out, and once it dries out, it's going to catch on fire. But the thing about a wildfire is it comes through pretty quickly. Take that off and I'll lay it on the edge for comparison's sake. That's an Aeonium.
This one's heavy and looks like it's really strong.
See if you can get it on the hottest part of the fire. If you were a warrior and somebody was coming after you with a torch, you could use a big Aeonium rosette as a shield.
Yeah. I mean, like, if you step on a succulent, you could see juice coming out of it. But the fire isn't really squeezing the succulent, it's making it sweat.
The cells have cooked so much that they've burst open. Would it be too dangerous to pick it up by that stem?
Let's see. Not too hot. Okay, let's see how sticks on fire do.
Of all the plants that were used as an effective fire break, this kind of melted a little bit, but it didn't catch fire. Sticks not on fire. We've got an oak branch that we're going to lay on there.
You don't see any red spots. It didn't catch on fire.
You have to almost do it to believe it.
I know.
We've got it on the hottest part. Good job. You can hear it popping a bit.
Yeah.
You know what we've discovered is that regular garden trimmings, they sizzle and pop and crack and they go up really quickly. And we're getting a little bit of popping and snapping with the succulents, but really not very much. This is the first time that we've actually seen any part of a succulent catch on fire. Is the dead leaf tip of the aloe.
You can see a little flame.
Has a little flame, yeah.
Let's give it like 6 this time.
Okay. You know you can eat this.
Yeah.
No palas. Careful.
It looks really burned.
The skin has charred. Oh, like a vegetable cooked smell. Still green inside.
Yeah, I'm really learning a lot. that has been in there for, I don't know, about like 12 minutes, I'm guessing.
Yeah.
And it's still juicy, but hot.
Well, I think our experiment is pretty conclusive.
Yep. It's a good thing that the owner of the house had succulents.
You going to get a plate now so we can have some nopales?